In this video, we'll be talking about Bitgert or BRISE ticker. Currently, this is the price where it's at. It's up 2% for the day, 309% increase in volume in the last 24 hours, which is pretty good. You can currently buy it on MEXC. I'll be sponsored by them very soon, by the way. So that's pretty cool. You can buy them with very good liquidity. We'll talk about the token, but you can also buy it on PancakeSwap, obviously, with pretty okay fees as well. If you are just used to using MetaMask and it's easier for you to connect it to your ledger or to whatever. We'll talk about the token in this video, but before we start, keep in mind that this is not financial advice, just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. With that being said, the purpose of this series is very simple. Pretty much every single day, I go over all the new tokens, all the hot tokens for the day, some trending topics for the day, and I give you my opinion. Whether or not I will personally be buying into them and my price analysis on them. You gotta do your own homework, but I give you my price analysis. So if you're interested in that, it's completely free. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. And if you want to support the channel, just smash the like button. Really helps out. Because I would be very happy if we become the biggest crypto community in the stratosphere. So I'm also sponsored by Nemesis DAO, the best APY you can get relative to market cap at 442,000 APY. I made a few videos on them, reviews. You can also do your own homework. You wouldn't be dissatisfied if you actually look into them. So let's talk about Bitgert. Starting off with their website, we'll check out the website for a very little bit, and then we'll go over to the actual price analysis. Crypto engineering organization focused on mass blockchain solutions. Cool. Buy with credit card. That's good. They are allowing you to bypass exchanges, but they're officially partnered with MEXC from what I can see. Crypto wallet gateway to decentralized blockchain app. Look, crypto wallets. I've invested a lot and I've always lost money, so it's not the main uh, category, crypto category I would invest in. Personally, in terms of the Binance margin, I'm very interested in Playtron tokens. This is a serious project. This seems like they have TDU from what I can see. Okay, it's Toke, because I have customer support on my e-commerce websites, and yeah, it looks very professional. They're a very professional team, so it's a serious token. What I want to see right now is the chart, and we can start with the, and we can use WooCoin for that. So I'll pull up a few things that I wanted to use within the price analysis, and that being the volume profiles and the MACD. You can see that right now is actually a really good accumulation zone in terms, just basic TA. We have want to have a few zones, listed points of interest right here. So I already have a plan for this trade. There's obviously we are in a downtrend, like you cannot deny that, but there's some good things that I can see on the chart. First of all, the downtrend was broken right here. It was broken. No matter what you say, it was broken. It still found a few dumps, which is bad, but there's some great signs here. First, the first accumulation zone was after the trend was broken, was here based on the MACD. So as soon as that hit, we had a very good accumulation that you can see with okay volume, followed by a massive, dump, based on volume. Now the price right now is favorable compared to last time, with a less favorable MACD, but a bullish divergence. As you can see here, if we draw a trend line from here to here, you can see bullish divergence on the trend line on the MACD, which is good. And the issue is we've had a bullish divergence here as well, which didn't play out that well. But the thing right here is the price, the next 20-30% have very little volume needed to pump, based on the liquidity as well. A movement like this is not that hard. The first resistance, the first point of interest is actually this line that we drew right here. So the first target you want to look out for is around the 2,800 area. The next target, if you actually want to hold above that, it would be here, which is nearly a 2x. If you can wait here, you don't even have to wait for the other high and so on. If you actually believe in the project, I think this is actually a good buy. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you like the project? Do you dislike it? Why not? I want to learn all of that. Just let me know. See you next video, next token. Bye.